So today for Cindy's look, we've got her all bronzed up, and so I really want to continue with that same theme. So I'm going to start out with Mehron eye cream, and I really like this product because there's so much that you can do with it. Now a lot of people, I think that they tend to shy away from eye creams because they don't really know how to use them, or they think that the wearability isn't very long, and so they kind of shy away. So today I'm going to show you a few different ways to use eye cream so you can see how versatile they really are and how great they are for the everyday woman, you know, for whatever your lifestyle is. So I'm using gold to go with the theme here, and I'm just going to put a little bit here on a small brush and just kind of really work it in there. Sometimes I pat it off on my hand just to make sure I don't have too much. And I'm going to just start on the lid in the center. I always start in the center because then I have room to blend on either side. So I'm really just working the product into the skin, and you can see, you know, it gives that dewy skin finish when you just apply it directly on the skin. And sometimes I, you know, use my finger to kind of blend the edges. Go ahead and look up, put a little on the tip, and just work it underneath. Now, this is a great way to put in a pop of kind of a dewy color. Mehron makes their eye creams in several different colors, a lot of really bright hues as well, so they're really fun. And then the wearability on this, I mean, if you use it just like this, it is going to crease. It's a cream. So that's something you know, obviously need to know. Go ahead and open. See, it's really, really pretty. I'm going to put it on the other side too. But we're going to demonstrate how this grabs shadow and how this works with shadow and how you can make this into a longer wearing product. So just get that blended in really soft. Really, they're so blendable and buildable. Go ahead and look up. They're really, really easy to use, and I think when you play with them and you kind of just work with them on the skin, you realize how easy it is. And I think more people are going to start using cream products because they look really natural too.